welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do a get ready. I'm going outside, finally going outside. I haven't been outside in weeks besides going to my grocery store, but right now I'm going outside to another city because I have something planned. My lease is about to be up and I'm looking for apartments, so that's why I'm going outside, not to do anything stupid. I'm just going there because I have to look for apartment. My lease is up the end of May and I have to look now for it, so I have a couple apartment viewing that I wanted to go see, and I took the day off today just to go see those apartments, and I had the plans way before we were in lockdown, so I cannot let it go, and I don't want to let it go because I need to move out regardless. So guys, let's get ready. I did my eyebrows, I primed my lid. You guys know how I prime my lid, so I don't think I'm gonna keep talking during this video. I think I'm just gonna straight to it because my friend is gonna pick me up. She's on her way already and I'm running late. I want to look professional because I don't want to look too extra, because I do know people judge me for that when I put too much makeup on, so whenever I go places. So I'm trying to be as basic as I can be because I have been judged before by my makeup when I previously was looking for a place, so I don't want that to happen. Not that I care, but I need a place to stay, so I have to do things. Choose a bright palette. I'm gonna go with this brown shade. Watch it. I do have a video using this palette for the first time, and I do realize that I have a pattern when after I finish talking about something, I don't bring it back. I rarely do, so I'm gonna not do that anymore because I'm gonna get because I don't want to do that. This brown is really brown. That's a good thing, and it's affordable too. I'm gonna go with this shade right here. Go back and add more brown because I kind of like want this brown to be focused on this corner, because I'm trying to do a smoke line. Even though I'm in a rush, I think a smoky line will be very, I wouldn't say easy, I think it will be very convenient for me to do. So guys, let me know if you guys want to see my apartment hunting. My camera is not charged. Oh my god, speaking of charge camera, oh, I can't do that right now. I was gonna start charging my vlogging camera, so I think I'm just gonna use this camera to go vlog to for one time because it's charged and the battery is charged. So I'm gonna do that. I want to add shimmer. Should I add shimmer? I'm gonna do it matte. I'm gonna do it matte. These two shades, this one and this one, I'm gonna mix them together. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I know you guys see me using the Epic Wear NYX liquid liner. I didn't like it. It bleeds. And my last look, when I recreate Taylor Made J look, it bleeds, and this look was a mess. But I really like the original one, the matte one. It really is the truth. This is what I get when I try to replace things that aren't broken, because this was not broken. I just wanted to try something different, but this one is more matte, the original matte one, so that's why I'm gonna keep it, because it doesn't bleed. It does fade away. It's not as matte as I want it to be, but it doesn't bleed. I think I'm gonna do a smoke liner. Ooh, so far guys, I'm loving this. Tell me what you think. Like, it's giving me 90 vibe and I'm digging it. I'm gonna do a smoke liner. I'm gonna go inside the palette and I'm gonna use the black shadow to smoke the liner. And let's... So I'm done with my eyes. I'm gonna put some mascara on. I'm gonna use Tati lashes. These are the TL3 Tati lashes. I'm gonna use them if the camera die because it looks like it's about to die. So I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna put my lashes on and we can do the face. I prime my face. I use the Pore Professional primer. I'm gonna put this setting powder all over my face since I'm going outside and I want my makeup to last because I'm gonna be there for a couple hours and I'm going my makeup to last. So I'm gonna put powder all over my face, which help with the longevity of your makeup. I've been doing this for forever, so whenever I go to work, I want my makeup to last. Foundation, I'm going to use the NYX foundation. If I have time I would correct, but I don't feel like color correcting right now because I'm busy. I don't think I have to color correct. I look so orange, but we move. I'm gonna use this concealer from LA Girl. This foundation is kind of too dark for me. Now that I'm realizing it, wow. Wow, whoa, whoa. What the hell? This foundation is dark for me? I just realized that. Ah! I've been using this same color for ages. Okay, I'm gonna contour, I'm gonna highlight. It's gonna match my skin, but moving forward in the future, I just realized it is dark for me. I've been using this foundation since it came out, and I think that's almost 2 years ago. So, wow. Damn, it's dark for me. I can't believe it's dark for me. That's so crazy. I'm just contouring my face and I'm using the Black Opal contour stick in the shade Black Walnut. Reason why I know all the shade because I bought them and I've been using them for years, so I can tell you everything I own, shade name, because I use them and I try to memorize it for you guys when I do my makeup so I can tell you guys. Oops, okay, I did something I shouldn't do, which is swirling. I usually don't swirl, I tap so I don't lift up my skin because I have texture skin. What the hell was I thinking? The Melanie Cosmetic Concealer in the shade Deep Tan so I can bring more brightness. I'm just gonna do it right here under my eyes and actually I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild bronzer and You Dragging Me Down, and then on top of it today I'm gonna mix it with the Fenty bronzer because the Fenty bronzer bring a little bit warmness. This one, it's not so much warmness, and Fenty bronzer is red undertone, which is my natural undertone, so that's why. Contour. You guys might ask me why I'm talking so low. I talk like that every day when I'm not like, that's why I talk. I'm not always hi, but that's my energy, so that's why I am. Some days I'm up, some days I'm down. Today I'm not down, it's just I'm rushing and I have to keep up. Almost an hour. It hasn't been an hour. I started at 10:30. I started at 10:30, so it hasn't been an hour. It's 12 now, so this look is so fast, so fast. At a time I bring my concealer out too much, I go with the back of the foundation area. I just clean it up just to not leave this mark. Sometimes I leave this contour and highlight mark. You can tell the difference, so I just go with my back foundation area just to, like, you know, stop the demarcation. You're still gonna see it, but I don't think it's gonna be that much. So that's how I do it, just to stop you from seeing it, because I'm trying to thrive. 2020. I'm trying to thrive. Even though 2020 it's not looking very thrivable, but I'm in these streets, okay? I'm trying to do my best to be in these streets. You know what it is, you know the vibe. This. Honestly, I never thought that contour nose make a difference, but I've been looking at my pictures and I realized it does make a difference. I realized that I can see a difference in my nose contour. So first I'm gonna go with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I'm gonna use it to set my my under eyes, or the area that I highlight. I'm putting extra powder around my mouth area, also around my nose, because that's where like I crease the most whenever I do makeup for longevity. So how I look when I put my setting powder, I look so good. Like I love the baking-ish look. I love it. I love it. So I'm gonna go with my Kat Von D translucent powder. I'm just gonna do it for brightness on the eyes area. Remove my powder. I'm going to use matte powder from Kiss. So I'm gonna spray my face with the Morphe setting mist. I don't know why my lighting is going in and out. Okay. It has a cucumber smell to it, and also the nozzle sprayed better than this one. This nozzle is quieter, this one is more wider. I like this one. I feel like I'm dripping. This one I have to keep pressing it, the original one. I'm digging it. But it does have a cucumber smell to it. That's what I gather from it. A cucumber smell. I'm gonna use this blush. It's from Black Radiance. It's only $2 and it's in the shade Rich Peach. It looks really good for my chocolate girls like me. It's also gonna look good on fair skin. Just go light. It's very pigmented. The reason why I love it, it's hard to find a blush as a black girl that shows up. A lot of blush doesn't show up on our skin complexion, so this blush does show up. It's the truth, and it's really affordable, and it's good for my people. I'm gonna use Back Chat from Peaches and Cream brand. It's like a complete nude. Just what I'm looking for. Do you see the different vibe I gave you? Now I'm adding a clear lip gloss. I always do that. I don't know. It's a habit. Guys, that is it for this get ready with me. I am going outside. I haven't been outside in a while, so that is it for this get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this look that I created. I think the look turned out to be very beautiful. I don't think I look extra. Let me know if you guys think I look too extravagant, because like I said, I was judged before I got this place. When I went looking for apartment, I was judged that with my makeup, and also for my race anyways. You guys know how the people out here are. So I just, like, this time I wanted to be more settled. I didn't put shimmer. I just want to be all matte, and I just wanted to be a little bit settled. That's why I have my pearls on, because I am a cute girl. So I really enjoyed this look turnout. I did not picture it like that. I just had an idea of how I wanted to do the look, but I didn't have an actual how it was gonna turn out. So I really love how it turns out, and I really love hanging out with you guys. I hope you guys just get ready with me. I'm gonna try to make it short. I'm gonna try to not have it 35 minutes. But if you guys enjoyed this get ready with me, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram, Amanda Coco. I will be there a lot of time. I'm there a lot of time speaking my mind. So if you guys enjoy this, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And feel free to watch all my other videos. I have a lot of videos on this channel. You can watch a lot of them. Just rewind to get a little vibe of me and to see my growth on my setup, my growth on makeup. So please watch all my videos. Now that you're in quarantine, you can totally watch all my videos. So yeah guys, see you guys on my next video. Bye.